Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on surface area part 2 worksheets. So this video gives us some worksheets on surface area. We've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you need any help, on the very last slide there is a link which takes you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So I will leave this particular slide on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Also, after the slides which contain the examples and the problems you're supposed to do, I have provided the answers on the following slide, that is on the next slide, so you'll be able to check how you went. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. I'll leave that on for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide, which has all the answers. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, which gives you the answers, and you're able to check how you went, and I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the final slide. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and you can click on the available link if you need any help.